All right, we're going to look at solving multi-step equations when variables are on both sides of the equal sign. First step is we're going to locate the variable. Then we're going to move that variable to the left side of the equal sign by adding or subtracting. Then we're going to add and subtract our constants, and then we're going to multiply and divide our variable. So first example is 7k minus 21 equals 3k minus 5. So I'm going to draw my line down the middle. So here's my variable we're moving, which is 3k. So to move it to the other side, we're going to either add or subtract. So since it's positive 3k, we're going to do the opposite, which is minus 3k. So we're going to minus 3k from both sides. That will cancel. 7k minus 3k is 4k. Bring down that minus 21, and then equals negative 5. From this step, we have now created a two-step equation so we can solve it like we've been solving before. So we're going to add 21 to both sides. We're given 4k. Negative 5 plus 21 is 16 divided by 4, and k is equal to 4. All right, so let's try this one down below. So find our variable. What we're going to move is 8p, one on the left side. So we're going to do that by doing the opposite, which is minus 8p. That will cancel. 10 minus 8 is 2. So we're going to get a negative 3 plus 2p equals negative 1. We're then going to move our 2p over. So to do that, we're going to do the we're going to move our minus 3 over, which is going to be adding 3 to both sides. So our 3's will cancel. We're going to bring down 2p. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. And then now we're going to divide by 2. So p equals 1. Okay, so let's try some with some parentheses. So the parentheses are going to be our distributive property. We're going to distribute first before we can solve. So left side is going to stay the same, 5y minus 8. Then we're going to distribute 3. When we distribute, we are multiplying the number on the outside by everything on the inside. So 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 4 is plus 12. Now we can solve. So move our variable to the other side. We're going to subtract. So minus 3y minus 3y. We get 2y minus 8 equals 12. We're going to move our minus 8 over by adding on both sides. Then we're left with 2y equals 20. And then we're going to divide by 2. So y equals 10. All right, next one. So we've got parentheses on both sides. So we're going to distribute the 2 times w is 2w. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And then bring that plus 4 down. There's not a parenthesis, so we're writing it down. Nothing changes that. The right side, we're going to distribute a 4. 4 times w is 4w. 4 times plus 1 is plus 4. We do have extra numbers on this side that we need to combine because we don't need to move one and then move the other when we can just move it one time. So negative 2 plus 4 is going to turn into plus 2. So I've got 2w plus 2, 4w plus 4. Now we're going to solve. So I'm going to move my variable over. We're going to minus 4w on both sides. Those will cancel. 2 minus 4 is negative 2w. Plus 2 equals 4. Now we're going to move our constant over. We're going to minus 2 on both sides. We get negative 2 equals 2. And then divide by negative 2. So w equals negative 1. Next, we're going to look at our two special cases, no solution and infinite solution. So I'm going to distribute my 4 to f. So 4f. 4 to minus 2 is negative 8 equals 4f. Then I'm going to solve. So I'm going to move my 4f over. So we're going to do minus 4f on both sides. Those will cancel. On the right side, I need a number on the right side since I still have things on the left side. So that's going to equal 0. And then 4 minus 4 is going to also cancel. So I'm left with -8. So when we're down to two answers like this is called a no solution, which means there's no answer. This means this problem does not work and it's not going to give me an answer because they are two different answers. So this is no solution. Last one we're going to look at is infinite solution. So we're going to distribute a -3 to 2, which is -6n. And then -3 times -5 is +15. Then on the right side, I have -6n plus 15, and then time to solve. So I'm going to move my variable over, which is -6n, bring it to the opposite, which is going to be +6n on both sides. That will make 0, bring down 15. This will also cancel and make 0, so I'm going to bring down 15. So for this one, I have 15 equals 15. So when they equal the same answer, there's not an x. This is called infinite solutions. Infinite solutions means it has many, many answers. So if I were to plug in a number, I would get the same answer on both sides.